Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, slice the 400 grams of beef topside into 1-inch pieces, making sure to cut against the grain. This helps the beef stay tender when cooked. A common mistake is cutting with the grain, which can make the meat chewy. You'll know you've done it right if the slices look smooth and even up. By the way, since many of you ask about this kitchen knife set that I use after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Next, mix the sliced beef with 2 tablespoons of potato starch, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of MSG, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and 2 cups of vegetable oil. This marinade will tenderize the beef and infuse it with flavor. Make sure every piece is well coated. It should look glossy and evenly covered. Now, marinate the beef in the fridge for 1 hour. This step is crucial because it allows the flavors to penetrate the meat fully. If you're short on time, 30 minutes will do, but for the best results, aim for the full hour. You'll know it's ready when the beef feels slightly firmer to the touch. While the beef is marinating, chop 1 large onion into chunks. The size doesn't have to be perfect, but aim for pieces that are roughly the same size as the beef slices. This ensures even cooking. If you find your eyes watering, try chilling the onion in the fridge before chopping. Once the beef has marinated, rinse it under cold water until the ammonia smell is gone, then drain it well. This step is important to remove any excess baking soda, which can leave an unpleasant taste. You'll know it's ready when the water runs clear and the beef no longer has a strong odor. Heat 2 cups of vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat, then add 4 tablespoons of curry paste, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of MSG. Stir the mixture until it's fragrant, which should take about 2 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the spices release a rich aroma. Add 1 cup of water to the curry paste mixture, stirring until you reach your desired thickness. If it's too thick, add a bit more water. Then, add a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. The sauce should be smooth and slightly thick, like a creamy soup. Heat oil in a wok or deep fryer to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius and cook the beef until it's browned, which should take about 3 to 4 minutes. You'll know it's done when the beef pieces are golden brown and crispy on the outside. Be careful not to overcrowd the pan, as this can lower the oil temperature and make the beef greasy. Deep fry the chopped onions and 1 cup of frozen peas until they're cooked. The onions should be translucent and the peas bright green, which should take about 2 to 3 minutes. This step adds a nice texture and sweetness to the dish. Finally, add the cooked beef and vegetables to the curry sauce, stirring everything together until well combined. Let it simmer for a couple of minutes to meld the flavors. You'll know it's ready when the sauce coats the beef and vegetables evenly and the aroma is irresistible. Serve hot and enjoy your delicious Chinese beef curry. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.